Hey guys, so let's quickly compare the two new rugged phones from Doogee, the Doogee S118 Pro versus the Doogee S119. If you're new here and you want to get the latest tech updates, then make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Give this video a like if you enjoyed. So without further ado, let's dive into it. Perfect. So there we go guys, the Doogee S18 Pro versus the Doogee S119. Which of the two rugged phones is equipped with the best specs? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update.